everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create this adorable little earring using the newest Softflex company design kit, Dia De Muertos, for their great bead extravaganza? Using the supplies from the kit, you will just need a jump ring, a head pin. I'm using the Onyx Softflex wire that came in the kit, one of the little ceramic beads, and these are large hold, a sugar skull, and then some crystals from Bedoria's mix and the Halloween mix inside the kit. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And down below in the description, I will leave links to all the products if they are still available, as a playlist for all the tutorials I create with this design kit. Let's start creating. To start, we're going to attach our little sugar skull to a headband. We're going to be making a loop, and I am using the one-step looper in a 1.5 millimeter. We're just going to slide it into our tool. We're going to give it a squeeze, and it's going to give us a loop. If it is a little bit open, we're just going to take our round nose pliers and round it, and that will give it a close. We're going to take our 6 millimeter jump ring. We're just going to open it side to side, and we're going to attach on our little charm. We're going to close, and you should hear that little click, and you know it's secure. We're going to slide on our little jump ring onto our Softflex wire. We're going to add on two of our orange beads, one on each side, one of our little periwinkle or light purple beads, one of our green beads, and then we're going to add on our flower. We're going to slide it on one side of our Softflex wire and pass back through the opposite side with the other wire. This is going to create your little circle. We want to make sure that the beads are even. You can see I have more Softflex wire on this side. So I'm just going to make some adjustments until my wires are fairly the same size. And I'm going to repeat the same pattern in orange, periwinkle, and green on each side. And don't worry if you can see the Softflex wire things start to loosen, it will straighten out in the next few steps. We're going to bring in our 2x2 and kind of do the same thing we did with our flower. We're going to add our 2x2 to one side of our wire. With the other side, we're just going to crisscross. And this is going to create a little X. And when we pull that, everything should tighten up. And don't worry if it curls, we can flatten that out in just a moment. Now, if we have a longer piece of Softflex wire, that's what we're going to loop back through our 2x2. And with the Softflex 2x2s, they will fit at least 3 of the medium Softflex wire. So that's kind of the little design technique that we're doing to make our little loop on top of our earring. So we're going to take the wire and pass it back through. And by doing this, sometimes things can kind of loosen up. We'll just make our adjustments. Sometimes it's just all in the practice. We want to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size for our earring. And then we're just going to take our pliers and give it a smash. And this is going to flatten our 2x2 and keep everything supported and stabilized. Now, normally I will round my 2x2. It just gives it a more professional finish. But because of the placement of the beads, it's okay to just flatten your wire. We're going to take our nippers and just cut off any extra Softflex wire. Make sure not to cut your little loop. Save your Softflex wire. You never know when you'll need it for another project. We've almost completed our earring and see how it's wanting to cooperate with us now. We're just going to grab our ear wire, open, and since it is two-sided, it doesn't matter which side you add it onto the ear wire, and give it a close. And we have cute and adorable earrings for Dia de Muertos using the newest Softlex Company design kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as all other tutorials using this design kit and earring inspiration. Have an awesome day.